In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to plan holiday content fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool for identifying trending topics and understanding search interest over time. To begin, open up your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Trends and hit Enter. What you're looking for is the first link, typically displayed as Google Trends. If you see it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're on the Google Trends site, you'll notice a multitude of options. Your first order of business is to click on the Explore button. This feature lets you dive deep into the trends that are happening worldwide or in a particular location of your choice. Now that you're in the Explore section, it's time to brainstorm some holiday keywords. Think of the holidays, events, and seasonal themes you want to focus on. For example, keywords like Christmas gifts, Valentine's Day ideas, Black Friday deals, Halloween costumes, and Easter recipes are great starting points. Choose one of these keywords and enter it into the search bar. As you type, Google Trends will automatically suggest variations that are currently popular. Once your keyword is in the search bar, press Enter. You'll be directed to a trend graph showing the interest over time associated with your chosen keyword. Pay attention to peak times on the graph, as these indicate when interest is highest. This information is invaluable for content planning, ensuring your holiday posts are timely and relevant. To further refine your analysis, make use of the filters provided at the top of the page. You can adjust the location to focus on your target market, such as a specific country, or set it to worldwide for a broader perspective. Additionally, adjust the time range filter to view data over periods like the past 12 months for current trends, or the past 5 years to analyze long-term interest. Beneath the graph, you'll find sections for related topics and related queries. Don't skip over these. Related topics will clue you in on other popular seasonal searches that might not have been on your radar. Meanwhile, related queries show breakout searches like DIY Christmas Gifts 2025. These insights are gold for generating fresh content ideas, promotions, or social media posts. For a comprehensive look at multiple trends, utilize the Compare function. By clicking the Compare button, you can add related holiday terms. This comparison can highlight which topics or products tend to trend most during the season, giving you a clear idea of where to focus your efforts. Finally, scroll down to review the results thoroughly. Take your time to analyze the data given, as it can significantly influence your holiday content strategy. Google Trends is an excellent ally for planning ahead and keeping your content both timely and engaging during the holiday season.